Hello, my dear children. Wow, very good afternoon. How are you? How are you doing? How was the vacation? Lots of questions, lot of experiences, and lot of things you must also have, right? To tell your teacher. Am I right? Our Sarhad school is also having many plans and many things to do for you, which are very exciting and very interesting. So, let me first welcome you in class 5. Congratulations all. Class 5. Now you are grown up kid. Now no more bachche log. You are my brilliant student. I'm very sure you are missing your school, missing your friends. I know today you are also very excited to attend the online class, isn't it? Even we teachers also very excited to teach you by these online classes. So, this year, that is class 5, fifth standard, you are now more responsible student. You have more responsibility, right? You will do your work by your, isn't it? Yes, I'm actually expecting from you. You complete your work on time and help your parents too. I'm very glad that I'm talking with you on behalf of all teachers. It's your first day of school. My dear children, आपको ये बात ध्यान में रखनी है, आपको ये ध्यान देना है कि जो भी टीचर्स इंस्ट्रक्शन आपको देंगे वो आपको फॉलो करने हैं. This online class is same as our regular class. Only the difference is you cannot interact with your teacher directly, but soon we will. In class 5, we will have main subjects English, Hindi, Marathi, Maths, EVS and computer. You have to follow the timetable which we will give. You have to maintain your notebooks. Whatever works you will solve, that record. Whatever activities you are doing, that also record you have to maintain, because later on we will ask for the same. Okay, and you should be organized now, because right now you are in 5th standard, right? 5th standard के बच्चे कितने डिसिप्लिन होते हैं आपको सबको पता है, right? तो definitely I know you guys are also very disciplined. Now show your this discipline and maturity and responsibility to your parents also. Fine. Now flashback of sweet memories. Further proceeding for 5th standard, let's talk about little bit our flashback memories. We played together, we danced together, we learned together, right? We ate together, we do masti with our friends, we do PT together, we do yoga together. Many things were there. I'm showing you one little bit flash of that memories. Okay, you will like it.
Baby shark doo 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 doo. Baby shark doo 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 doo. Baby shark doo 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 doo. Baby shark. Mommy shark doo 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 doo. Mommy shark doo 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 doo. Mommy shark doo 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 doo. Mommy shark. Daddy shark doo 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 doo. Daddy shark doo 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 doo. Daddy shark doo 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 doo. Daddy shark.
How was it? I know you like it, and smiling on your face, I can see that. Now, my dear children, one of our beloved teacher, Mrs. Manisha Patil, she will connect you and she will convey one message. Okay, now listen her carefully and welcome her.
Hello dear students, good afternoon. Welcome to the virtual classroom. After a long break joining school, feeling excited, right? Ready for this new experience of online learning? Yes. So let's start our academic journey. Let me introduce myself. I'm your English teacher. On the behalf of our Sarhad school family, I welcome you all. Here's presenting a poem for you. Dear students, school is a place where we love to be. Now online together, your classmates, you and me. We are all at our places with curious eyes and smiling faces. Online means is a virtual school. It's a new way. Let's greet one another and start our day. Grand welcome to everyone. Please sit comfortably. Dear student, this time we have got a long vacation. But are these holidays making us happy? No. Deep inside our mind, we are sad, we are worried, and everyone knows the reason. We know COVID-19 had stopped us from enjoying the summer vacation. This corona has made us stay home, stay safe. Right? In English, there is a proverb, every dark cloud has a silver lining. What does this mean? Dark cloud means difficult conditions, tough situations, and the silver lining means the lesson we learn from those tough conditions. In today's time, for us, these dark clouds are coronavirus, right? Corona restrictions, and the silver lining is our new experience, our e-learning project, right? Okay, Corona has brought one more message for all of us, and the message is self-discipline. We all have to inculcate self-discipline. Dear students, it's the first day. On this very first day, don't get tensed, don't be nervous. Be relaxed. Here's a small activity for you. It's very simple. You will like it. I will be saying a word. You have to visualize them. Okay? Now, once again, sit nicely. Close your eyes. May I start? Here comes the first word, mango. Simply think about the shape of mango, color of mango. Try to feel the smell of mango and the taste of mango. So everyone is enjoying yummy mango? Good. Now the second word is the earth. Our planet Earth. You all know what is the shape of the earth. Try to see how it looks from the space. Is it moving? Can you see our India on it? Okay, wonderful. Now, the next word is home. Hamara apna ghar. How it looks? Simply move into the house. Simply move into the house. Visit every corner of the house. Done? Okay. Now the next word is house. Do you find it little bit confusing? Don't worry. The structure is quite same. But try to differentiate between a house and a home. Now this time you must be having two pictures, right? Okay. Find out the difference between a house and a home. Okay. Now, our last word is school. Remember the building of the school, name of the school. Move into the classes. Teacher, board, benches, books. You are in uniform. Okay? So visited the school? Good. Now slowly open your eyes. I'm sure in the picture of your home, you must have seen your family, right? Yes. This activity brings us a message. Our family transforms a house into a home. हमारा परिवार एक मकान को हमारे प्यारे घर में बदल देता है. House is a very special place for us, for everyone. We are true at home, totally different. Once we open the door and move out, we become little bit formal. We become conscious. Try to remember your sound, your volume when you call your mama. Okay? And when you answer your teacher in the classroom, there is difference, right now? Yes, our home is our special place. It is our first classroom. We learn our cultures, tradition in our at our home. Sorry. Okay. Dear students, our CBSE session, it starts in the month of April, right? But we start learning lessons and enjoying it, especially right from the month of June. Now June month has arrived. June month brings raindrops, rain showers for us and brings new life in the whole nature. Along with this, June month brings shopping list, stationery item for the students, right? Okay, June month is specially for the school going children. And this year, school has come at your home. Isn't it amazing? New experience, right? So ready, dear students, during this time of social distancing, this e-learning project, it will help us to create emotional bonding. Wow! But we have to make some arrangement for it. Okay? For school at home, we have to prepare a suitable corner. You have heard about it, right? You can label it. You can see. Soham Sarhad School, Vibhas Virtual Classroom. You can find fancy title for your place. Wow! And every day you will be sitting at the same place. But why it is necessary to sit at the fixed place? I am telling you an incident. एक घटना सांगते हैं. Listen it carefully and then answer. Rohan was a boy of your age. He was a nice boy. At their home, it was regular habit, compulsorily at 7 o'clock in the evening, Rohan had to sit with his granny and say the prayer. This was their regular routine and it was very compulsory for them. Okay? One day, by mistake, he misplaced his compass box. In the compass box, his favorite pen was there. He tried to search for it, but he couldn't get it. Even Mama was very angry with him because it was his responsibility to keep the thing at the proper place. He was sad and a little bit angry also with himself. In this nervous condition, he was simply moving in the house and then he saw Granny was arranging the mats. He looked at the clock. It was 7 o'clock. It was time for the prayer. Okay. He went near Granny. Now you have to tell me what Rohan must have done. I am giving you 3 options. Okay? You know Rohan was a little bit angry with himself. So he said to Granny, I will be saying the prayer too. Second option, he simply sat down and said the prayer quietly, softly. Third option, he sat down over there but kept crying. Okay. So what did he do? What do you think? You are right, dear children. Rohan must have sit down over there and say the prayer. Sitting at particular place and following the same routine, actually it makes our mind silent. It is really helpful for studies sitting at same place. It helps for concentration. It helps to concentrate well. So it's a good habit. Along with fixing the place, the next thing comes, it's create a schedule, frame a timetable. I would like to suggest some points. While framing your timetable, please take care. There is some time to spend in the nature. Please get up early in the morning, stand near a window or in balcony before sunrise. See the colors of the sky, feel the cool breeze, touch the plants. It's good experience. Then give some time for the exercises. You can do Surya Namaskar or other exercises of your choice. Third part, always help your parents. In some work, somewhere, you must help in the household work. Next, give some time for artwork. Artwork can be drawing, singing, dancing for some time. It will make you feel relaxed. And naturally, most of the time you will be giving for the school work. Subject-wise activities you have to perform, right? Okay. Now, fix this timetable and determine, make promise to yourself. You will be following this timetable. Okay. Now the next thing is, in your study area, on your table, please keep a dictionary. Always handle dictionary every day. Every day simply open the pages randomly, read 2-3 words, try to understand them. Okay? This will help to improve your vocabulary. During your school time, online lectures and doing the activities at home, you can speak in English. Speaking in English, this practice is necessary. Okay? Otherwise, I will give you one suggestion. You can fix one day of the week for English speaking day. Suppose for example, every Monday will be English speaking day. Every Wednesday you can dedicate it to Hindi. Shuddha Hindi bolne ka din. So you have heard Prime Minister's speech. You know how Amitabh Bachchan speaks. So you can make fun. One full day you can behave like Amitabh Bachchan, talk like Amitabh Bachchan, right now? So it will add fun. One more thing, if you like, you can try to speak in Sanskrit also. Google is there for help. Some lines you can speak in Sanskrit. It's good. Okay? Our mother is our first teacher. In fact, every mother is the best teacher. And now, isn't it amazing? This best teacher will be always there with you. She will be observing you. She will be observing you while you will take the lessons. You will perform the activities at home. Sometimes it may happen she won't be understanding what is the matter and all. But then also, she is observing you and she understands everything well. She understands how much interest you are taking in the subject, whether you are liking it or no. Isn't it? Okay. Now, dear students, your mama, she can give you stars every day. So in your virtual classroom, you can arrange one chart and tell your mama every day she will assign some stars to you. She will be observing you whole day and depending on that, she can give you the stars. As well as the score. For example, she is giving you 3 stars. So today's score will be 3 out of 5. After 20 days, you can count it. You will find your score. Yes? Now, students, our family is a circle of our love and strength. Now in this difficult time we are experiencing, if our family, our home would not have been over there, what would be our condition? There are some people who do not have home, right? Please think about that. Okay, let it be. Today is 1st June. Today's day is celebrated as Global Parents Day. Our parents make this home for us, right? So for our family, our parents, let us, today's first day. Now we must start with the homework right now. So today's homework is Today you have to interview your parents. First, prepare questionnaire. Write 5 to 10 questions which you would like to ask each of them. You can inquire about their childhood, their school, their college, their workplaces. You can ask them how they manage to handle duties in the office as well as at home. Some of the parents are working from home, right? So, interview them today. And as you will interview them, please click a photograph. It would be a very nice memory. Afterwards, you can take the copy and get it signed, right? Okay, so on the occasion of the Global Parents Day, for our family, let's recite a poem. Okay, now please take a look at the board and repeat after me. Poem, My Family. My family is always there. The good times and bad. I know I can count on them whenever I am happy or sad. When I have had a bad day, I know my family is never far away. When life takes the crazy turn, they will always help me to learn. Life without them just wouldn't be right. Family is center of life, each day and night. I thank you, God, for my wonderful family. Dear children, hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you.
Wow, now it's fun time. Ready? Listen the sound carefully and do the action. I hope you enjoyed this small activity. Now, thank you, students. Thank you, parents. Now, I hope you will enjoy your days. You will enjoy the online classes and you will study hard. Enjoy, be happy, be healthy, and keep smiling. Bye. Take care.